In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to Google Calendar automatically in Calendly. If you use Calendly to schedule meetings, connecting it to your Google Calendar is a great way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Once this is set up, every time someone books with you, the event will appear on your Google Calendar without you having to do anything manually. Start by opening your Calendly account and signing in. From your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the menu where you manage your scheduling and settings. Here, you want to find and click on Integrations and Apps. This is the section where Calendly connects to other tools, and it's where you'll manage your calendar integrations. Once you are on the integrations page, you'll see a list of apps and services. To make things easier, use the search or filter option at the top. Type in Google Calendar in the search bar. This narrows down the list so you can quickly locate the integration you need instead of scrolling through everything. After searching, you should see Google Calendar appear as one of the options. Click on Google Calendar to open the detailed integration page. Here, Calendly will explain what the connection does, typically highlighting that it can both check your availability and add booked events directly to your Google Calendar. On this Google Calendar integration page, look for a button or link that says Connect Calendar Account. Go ahead and click that. A Google sign-in window will appear, or if you are already signed into Google in your browser, you may see a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the Google account you want Calendly to use. This should be the account where you want all your scheduled events to be created. Follow the prompts and allow Calendly the necessary permissions so it can read and write events to your calendar. This is important for keeping your availability accurate and for adding events automatically. Once your account is connected, you are not done just yet. Go to the Sync Settings section within the Calendar Settings page. Here, you'll see options that control exactly how Calendly interacts with your Google Calendar. Check the appropriate boxes to make sure Calendly both checks this calendar for conflicts and adds new Calendly events to it. Take a moment to confirm that the right calendar is selected, especially if your Google account has multiple calendars. After you've checked those boxes, your setup is complete. From now on, whenever someone books a meeting with you through Calendly, the event will automatically show up in your Google Calendar, keeping everything organized and in sync.